Hello everyone, Derrick Allen here. Look, I want to talk about something that I think is very, very important and vital within digital marketing. And first of all, it's just identifying it and answering the question, what is digital marketing and why it is important for your small business? Now, look, basically digital marketing is just marketing within the digital space, from social media, from emails to websites, etc. But I want to talk about really the essence of digital marketing and how it can just revolutionize your entire business because it's so important and so vital. First of all, it is so that you can connect and engage with your customer, so you can know how to interact and offer the products and services that your customers actually need and want. How can you do that? You have to put yourself in position so that you will be able to understand and know the type of customer you have and also what types of products and services that they actually want. You will not know the type of product and service your customer want unless you delve in and you lift the hood and you look at all the wires and all the different components and gadgets and all the equipment that is involved in it. This is what digital marketing is. You have a product or a service, and then you identify how you're going to be able to promote and present this product and service to your customer, and then disseminate what is it going to take for them to not only get your product and service, but how are you going to be able to understand how they react and they relate to your product and service. That's very key. How are you going to do that? You can do that through analytics, and there's a lot of things, even when you submit an email list, or even if you run a Facebook ad, or even if you do a PPC ad, a pay-per-click ad on Google. Everything has analytics, and there are ways that you can actually look at what works and what doesn't work so that you can identify your target audience. And if you can identify how they relate and connect with your product, then it will put you in better position so that when you release or decide or choose on a particular product or service, then you will be able to offer that product or service and generate more revenue and more success as you launch not only your current products and services, but even future products and services. And something interesting actually happened to me. I want to share with you all a story. So for like the past month and a half, I've been speaking with businesses and trying to get them established within digital marketing. And I'm so excited because I've been doing it for a long period of time now. And I'm sharing them like different types of tools, and I'm sharing with them, how they can get their email list and how they can interact and engage with customers and how they can wash, rinse, and repeat. And it's like, okay, that's great, but what is a sales funnel? And I was like, whoa, okay. So I'm talking about digital marketing as if they already kind of know what digital marketing is. And then I realized they don't know what digital marketing is. So and then I had a major aha moment because I'm like, oh, wait a minute. If you don't know what digital marketing is, then you won't really understand or even know how it can benefit your business so it can take it to the next level and what all of it entails. And I realized every one of those businesses, they didn't have a digital marketing strategy, plan, or they didn't know how to interact, engage, or to even connect with their customers. And so I realized if you grasp this, if you just take a moment to really delve into digital marketing and how it can establish and grow your business, it will change your life and your entire perspective on your business from day one. And there's a whole lot of things that we're gonna delve into. But what we're going to do is we're gonna peel back that onion layer by layer and really get to the core so that you all will know and understand how digital marketing works and how it can be used within your business so you can get the ultimate and optimum success.